is Ron Emma, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of EC Sourcing. Thanks for visiting our website today. Here's a very brief overview of our software, just to give you a glimpse of what it looks like. You, of course, will need to schedule a formal demo to see everything. Let's get started. So here you can see we're at our procurement headquarters, which gives you an overview of our solutions. First, we're going to go into spend analysis. When we go into spend analysis, we can see all of our spend over here on the spend overview. You can click on any of these charts. So if I wanted to see what was on contract, I can see that. And you can see it's about 49 billion. From there, I can go into more details. Perhaps I want to go into the category summary. And so again, I'm seeing all of my spend by category, subcategory, and sub-subcategory. I can take a look at my transaction density. And maybe I want to click into one particular sub-subcategory. So now, the entire data set is filtered on that sub-subcategory. And I can go into other places, perhaps the category breakdown, to see the spend by supplier. All of this data, one click, I can drop it into Excel. You'll also notice that as I go back across the data set, my filter on that one sub-subcategory is maintained for me. I can also look at the specific transactions that make up that data set, and you can see I have some pivot tables that I've saved in the past. This is a particular pivot, spend by supplier, then by state. So you can make any pivot table you like on the data, that can be personal just to you and your categories. Lots more to show, outlier analysis, you can make reclassifications, we can look at a savings roadmap, etc. I'm going to go now to our Insights solution, which is like our dashboard. So from here, I can see the RFPs that we're running. This is the sourcing dashboard. I could also look at the overall dashboard. I can see how many contracts we have, how much spend is in those contracts, etc. And on any of these, again, just like all the others, I can click on any particular category to drill in and see more. Perhaps I want to just see the IT RFPs that we're running. So those are the RFPs we've done in the IT category. And again, I can set up and save my own reports. Again, those can be exported to Excel. Another popular dashboard is the contracts dashboard. This shows all of the contracts when they're expiring, right? So I can click and see, show me the 3 contracts that are expiring February of next year. You can see the 3 right here, right? I can undo those. And of course, the system is going to send you emails and reminders letting you know which contracts are expiring when. Just took a brief detour here to look at the a bid spreadsheet in one of the demo projects. You can see this is the view that the supplier would be seeing within a sourcing event. So you can see here that you can have multiple columns, many bid input fields, as well as formulas, if-then statements, etc. that are defined by you. The supplier can work on this on the screen right here, or they can download a bid template, upload it back. One of the key things is, after this, how are you going to analyze this? And that's where we would go and take a look at the optimization solution. So we'd go to the optimization solution here and take a quick look at the an event that's in optimization and ready to go. So you can see here we've got the same event we were looking at a minute ago in sourcing. 158 items from 12 suppliers, which is resulting in about 1,600 bids. So I can make any reports here that I want. So I can say, hey, look, show me how many incumbent bids I have. So here you can see the number of incumbent bids I have by supplier, right? Then of course we want to go and take a look at the optimization itself. So here you can see we have a number of scenarios that we've already run, everything from the cherry pick to 100% remains with the incumbent, right? And other things in between. And as often happens with optimization, we sort of narrowed our focus and we said, look, everyone can be happy with 50% remaining with the incumbent, 4 suppliers overall, and we don't want supplier 12 at plant F. Plant manager there doesn't like supplier 12, so we've removed them, right, from the award at supplier 12. So this is the view to take a look at that scenario. You can see the amount of the award here by supplier. And down here is the award itself, right? So we can look at the net award, the net savings, and so forth. Of course, again, I can save lots of different reports that I've saved in the past. This is just a pivot table showing total spend and savings. Once again, this was just meant to be a high-level overview, right? To give you a glimpse of the software. We, of course, would spend much more time with you to show you each of these solutions in greater detail and let you ask questions. So we look forward to talking to you in the future. Schedule some time with us, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks again for your time, and have a great day.